Is lip liner part of your everyday makeup routine? If not, you're missing out on a great tool to make your lips look their best. Lip liner will make your lipstick last much longer and prevent it from bleeding. I'm gonna show you a few tips on how to find and apply the right liner. You wanna start off by hydrating the lips. I'm gonna go in with this Coola lip balm. I'm going to be using the Color Science lip liner in the color Rose. You want to start on the middle of the lip and the outer corner. Next, I'm going to be going in with a shade from the balm called Committed. That's all there is to it. You don't need to be a professional makeup artist to know how to apply lip liner. You can find top quality products for your lips and more at Lala Daisy.